Hello, my special Valentine. How are you today? I am doing fantastic. And before I get started, I want to make a quick announcement. Well, not an announcement, more of make a statement. Um, I got a comment. I guess a lot of political ads have been playing on my channel lately, and the viewer asked me to ease up on them. I just want to let everyone know that's watching that I, along with any other person on YouTube, has no say over what ads are played on their channel. Unfortunately, it goes by um, the the statistics of what you like to watch. For example, if you watch a lot of art videos and then you watch a political video and you watch a cooking video, you're going to get an ad that pops up for some type of a cooking item. You're going to get an ad about politics, and you're going to get an ad from, say, Blick art materials. So it all goes off of what you guys watch on here. I cannot pick and choose what ads play, so I apologize if any of the ads bother you. If they do, I guess you could contact YouTube maybe and let them know. But as for me, I have no say over that. If I don't have ads on my channel, these videos will stop. Unfortunately, although it's like a penny a view, that little bit does add up over time and helps me to get canvases or whatever else I may need. So I'm sorry. There's nothing I could do about that. But anyway, it is Valentine's Day and I want to do a pour. I was thinking about Valentine's colors, and what kept coming to my mind were the little candy hearts that I know I loved when I was young. The little message hearts. So I picked out some colors. A couple of them are new from the Dragon Wing kit from Colourarte. Sorry, I just got distracted by something. They're from the new Dragonfly wing kit from Colourarte. They are interference colors that are lightly tinted so that it has just a little bit of color in it. So they're really, really pastel. They're really beautiful. And what's different about this month's kit is that along with your kit, you're going to get a free bottle of Polypore, 8-ounce bottle of Polypore. And you have 2 sizes to choose from. You can get the smaller kit that has the 8-ounce bottles of enamel and Polypore, or you can get the larger kit, and the smaller kit comes with the smaller primary element jars, or you can get the bigger kit that comes with the 32-ounce bottle of enamel and a free 8-ounce bottle of Polypore. So these colors are beautiful. If you didn't see yesterday's video, I will link it for you at the end of this video. I showed each and every color. I'm not using them all today. And we're going to have some fun here. Okay? So, I'm using 3 of the new colors. And here is one. It is called Pink Parasol. It's a very light, I would say, bubblegum pink with a blue shift to it. So it's got the blue interference in it. Then we have, let's see, what's this one? I don't have my cans, my little pots. This one here is Pixie Dust. That's the gold. I'm really off. I lost my last jar here. Oh boy, here it is. Papillon. This is a beautiful light blue with a violet shift. Really, really pretty. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. But with those, I'm going to use a solid opaque color, which is Naphthol Red by Golden. And for my cell activator, now here's where the crazy comes in. I'm using this cobalt teal for my cell activator. I will list below how the paints are mixed up, and we're going to get right into it. So I have my paint down, my white paint down. I'm just going to torch it really quick. If I can turn on my torch. My hands have been giving me mega issues in the last couple of days. So cold weather, all of that. For those that don't know, I have rheumatoid arthritis. So I know a lot of people say your hands look so swollen. It's a combination of that and just deformity from the disease. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make one big puddle in the center, and I'm going to blow it out in my blow dryer and see how that works. So there is my red. And I decided I'm going to use a little bit of some red interference that I already have mixed up here. I just decided that right now. These interference colors, if you haven't been watching my past videos for the last 2 weeks, I've been using these a lot more, and my, they are just amazing. So now what I'm going to add on top of that is going to be the pink parasol. We're going to get all the colors, well, most of the colors of those pretty candy hearts that we remember. I'm going to put in the papillon. And then the pixie dust. Leslie did a great job with these colors. She did a great job with the names. They're just a lot of fun. Now, on top of that, I'm going to put a little more red. Okay. And then my cell activator. Look at that. Even though red and blue are complementary colors, there's a nice contrast there. All right, so let's get the good old demon dryer out here. My arch nemesis, and see what we can do. I'm just going to let it sit for a second. And if this center doesn't activate or create cells, what I will do is take my airbrush and kind of put some air down in the center, and it'll help it. Actually, I can show you that really quick. You can do this with a straw, with your mouth, whatever you want to do. You don't have to have an airbrush. I just love this airbrush. It's on my Amazon shop if you're interested in it. It's under $60, or it was at least when I bought it. And I absolutely love it. So I'm kind of just starting up high and going low until I see some color breaking through. And then you can also do that to help create some more cells there. All right, so I'm gonna let it sit for a second. I'm gonna pause you guys, and then we'll come back and do some stretching. We'll do our stretching exercises. Okay, so let's see if I can give you a close-up here. Once it's done, I can give you a better shot of the interference colors. Very, very pretty. All right, so now this is where a lot of people lose it because they don't stretch the right way. Look for an area that you love. I love this upper area here. Bottom, I can do without. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first stretch a little bit this way to try to open these cells up a little bit. Then I'll come down this way, okay? So it's very important that you wait for that paint to come back up to where it's all level before you start stretching, or else the paint will roll over itself because it's still sunken down. And it's also very important for you to go slow with the tilting process. So you can see I'm tilting a little bit to the side here. Now I'm going to come down this way. Nice and slow. And I may leave this as a negative space because I'm actually loving it. You get rid of that little bit of blue lacing I had there because it just didn't look right. Okay. Nice and slow. And now my goal is to come down this way a little bit. I'm just going to turn my round. Here we go. I come back up. Just a little bit, and then we're going to be done. And that is it, my friends. I like the little bit of negative space that I have, so I'm just going to leave that alone. Now, at this point, you really want to look for big air bubbles and pop them. I really don't have too many, so that's a plus. Only thing that's bothering me here is this little area. So, let's see if I can get it to come on over. There we go. Okay. Perfecto. Wow, these colors are just magnificent. Absolutely gorgeous. I cannot say enough about these interference colors, and now the option to have them with a little bit of color in them is just absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to give you a close-up now. First, I'll show it to you with the lights on. And now lights off. Here we go. Ready? Look at that. That is just... I don't know. I'm out of words. You know, I watch a lot of videos also, and it's, you know, I feel like I say the same thing over and over again. Just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And oh, look at that. Very pretty. So now those are the new, 3 more of the new Dragonfly wing kit from Colourarte, along with the Bling It interference colors. I only used the one this time, the violet. So below, I have a 20% off, no minimum purchase required. Go check it out, Colorarte.com. Use code Tammy Anderson Art 120. And oh, they're just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Make sure you check out my Facebook group, United We Pour with Tammy and Lisa. Come on over and say hi to Lisa, Wyatt, and I. There's a link in the description for that, along with all my social media. I do take commission work. I actually have a few to work on this weekend. If you're one of those watching that's waiting, those will be done this weekend. Auction paintings will officially all be mailed by tomorrow night. So Monday morning they will go out. So if you got an auction painting and haven't received it yet, it's a coming. Had a lot of work to do on those. So they came out beautiful. I love you all. And until next time, my friends, happy pouring.